Welcome to HubofkidsPs. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel.
The Elephant and the Ant. In a lush forest, there lived a massive, strong elephant who was very proud of his size. He spent his days resting and troubling the smaller animals and birds. In the same forest lived a tiny ant, referred to as Choti, who worked hard every day, gathering and storing food for the seasons ahead. One day, as the ant was carrying food home, the elephant blocked her path. To tease her, he filled his trunk with water and sprayed it all over her, soaking her and ruining her food. He laughed, saying, "You are so weak. You can do nothing to stop me." The ant, though small, was filled with anger and decided to teach the bully a lesson. Later that day, while the elephant was fast asleep, the ant crept into his trunk. She bit him so hard that the elephant woke up screaming in pain. He thrashed about and wept, unable to get the tiny attacker out. Finally, the ant crawled out. Seeing his tiny opponent, the elephant was so terrified and humbled that he begged for forgiveness. The ant replied, "No one is truly small or weak. When the time comes, everyone can use their own strength." Ashamed, the elephant apologized and never troubled the smaller creatures again. Moral of The Elephant and the Ant: size does not define strength, and pride goes before a fall. This story serves as a reminder that being big and powerful doesn't give anyone the right to bully others. A tiny ant can bring a giant to his knees, proving that everyone deserves respect regardless of their size.
If you like this story, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.